days of non-stop go, 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 and I'm being rescued. My daughter.
Some relaxation and some maybe possibly steak. I'm just throwing it out.
We're going out for dinner. Well, this is a pleasant surprise. We're at the Sandcastle restaurant in Sylvan Lake. Steakhouse of sorts. She knows how to pick them. But yeah, it's gonna be nice. We're gonna hang out and we're gonna have that bonding moment, and then I'll probably go hang out with them tomorrow night after I get everything finished. Check it out. What kind of mussels are they?
They said they were in a red wine sauce. Or something.
Oh, red wine?
A red tomato sauce, I mean. So how do I eat these?
And that's saganaki with pan fried and ouzo, or not ouzo, but sambuca with the pita bread. And that's Alexa. That was delish. Look what we got for main course. Cod. What was it?
Crusted,
Neptune?
crusted
cod with Neptune. And Alexa, what'd you get?
I got an 8-ounce steak,
Oh my god.
double stuffed potato, vegetables.
Nice. Enjoy.
Thank you.
You did good too, honey. You ate a lot of the appetizer.
It was so good.
What's for dessert? I think she's full. Anyways, that was fun. We gotta get back on the road. There's little kids to pick up.
Yep.
Well, that was a delicious, delicious dinner. Hey, kiddo.
Very good.
And this is the thriving metropolis of Sylvan Lake. It used to be a dinky little town, but now it's like a population of almost 15,000 people. This is, oh, that's where the pier is over here. Hang on a sec. Watch. Sylvan Lake. The pier out here used to be a water slides back before you were born.
Mm-hmm.
No, you were born.
I think, yeah, I think it's been like 10 years or something now.
Oh, is that right?
Shut down.
But this is one of the tourist getaway places in Alberta. So yeah, that was a great dinner. Great kids, great conversations. I need a bolt for the roof rack and I have to run over to Co-op, so I'm trying to get this guy ready to go for a walk. Ready, buddy? We'll put a jacket on because it's cold, and then head over to the Co-op. Well, I guess you guys could have came for a walk to the Co-op with me, but I just had to pick up a bolt for the bottom of the ladder, so I got to loosen these up and realign it. Then we can start packing it. Okay, I got it adjusted so it's lined up. If you had a shoulder bolt, I'm not sure if this is stripped. I don't need your help. Thanks. And to make do, this actually holds the ladder from flopping. And they didn't have any smaller bolts. But it's smaller than what I had. Okay, see if we can get this to work. I haven't took my puffers yet this morning. That took the breath out of me. Now we're gonna line up these babies and tighten them up. And last but not least, there's 2 bolts that hold the top of the ladder to the rack. Okay, 10:30. I have everything out. We're starting to put stuff up above. And I have to try to get all this in my van. And I need this one done too. So we got to put all this stuff back in there proper and clean up the interior. We need to get all the tool or all the parts and stuff in place for the mechanic and clean. Are you excited? Yeah? You want to go? Awesome. I'm all loaded up. It's not organized, but I have an appointment. So I have to lock up my van, my bus, say goodbye to it. Goodbye, buddy. Get a new heart. You'll come back to life. Whoa! Well, we got insurance for the Volkswagen, My daughter's coming to pick me up with the kids. You know what? You want to know what? Your mom almost ran me over. Did you see that?
Yeah.
She's trying to kill me. Yep. We made it home safe and sound.
Hi.
Hi. I have to go back to work. Look at that, you guys. Is that not a fine specimen? So we're now legal to drive. It's just about getting this thing organized. It came into my mind, not yesterday, but the night before, that I had this option. And I started weighing it all out and went, Brent, do it. So I had to figure everything out yesterday and started getting ready and started loading this morning. We're not too bad. I need to put some clothes away, find a place for my medications and odds and ends. And yeah, I think this is going to be a fun adventure for not only me, but all of us. What do you think? You guys ready to hit the road? We're doing it tomorrow, and we're doing it right. We are going to head into the Columbia ice fields. You guys are gonna be able to see at least half the Rocky Mountains look like. Well, that highway looks like, and we're gonna head up to Jasper. I'll probably stop there, have dinner, and then we're gonna take off west. I know a little spot up there I'll take you guys to. So I'm just gonna get back to work. Gotta love kids, eh? Anyways, things seem to be lining up here pretty good. I'm just about to, we're gonna start putting these clothes way up here. I'm gonna put them up inside all these different cabinets. I like these ones. I check these out. Look. You like those emblems? Huh? Yeah. Once I get rid of my clothes, it's probably a lot less clutter and come to find some places for things. I'm exhausted, but I'm excited. Back to work, Brent. Well, I did it. I wasn't gonna wait around for another 3 weeks.